Good day. I'm Dr. Romil Orais, the current Chief Clinics here at DOPMC or Davao Oriental Provincial Medical Center. And I'm glad na pumunta dito yung Halad Medical Foundation para magsagawa ng surgical mission. Very fortunate din kami kasi napili kami na gawing site ng mission na ito. Surgical mission is done through partnership with different organizations, no? Halad Surgical Mission, DOPMC, the local government unit of Davao Oriental. In-endorse ito ng governor natin. Maraming pasyente ang makaka-benefits sa ganitong procedure. Nandito rin yung DOH, yung City Health, and BARM, at saka yung Summer Prolic Organization. We are lucky and fortunate na mayroong ganitong surgical mission para makater yung patients sa Davao Oriental na nangailangan ng surgical intervention. I would like to take this opportunity to thank organizers of these surgical missions, partners natin sa DOH, DOPMC, DHO, and sa mga patients nag-participate sa surgical mission. Thank you very much, and I hope hindi lang ito ang time na magkaroon ng surgical mission para lalong matugunan yung pangailangan ng mga tao sa Davao Oriental. Magpapatuloy pa ito kasi daming nakikinabang sa ganitong klaseng surgical mission.